Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree Davis if you are new here. If you are not, hey girl, hey. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look using only drugstore brands. So if you are feeling it, please let me know below in the comments. And if you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you're going to like what you see. Other than that, if you guys are feeling these makeup looks, let me know a specific brand you're looking for or a specific product down below in the comments, and I'll be sure to give it a try in my next videos. Alright, stay tuned. So today I'm going to be starting with the NYX Pore Filler as a primer. I do have rather large pores around my nose and my T-zone area, so I'm just going to make sure I fill as much as possible. After I fill my pores, then I'm going to prime my entire face. Now I am doing in-depth, so I'm going to show you guys how I do my brows today. Oh my gosh, that's the hardest part. But I'm going in with the NYX Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. So I like this primer just because it is, I don't have dry skin. I have rather like normal type skin, but I don't know, I just like how this goes on. It's like really jelly like. That's why it is called a jelly primer. But it's super hydrating, makes my skin super good, and oh my gosh, I can't talk. My makeup stays on for pretty much a whole day when I wear this stuff. I'm going to be starting with my brows today just because I like to get those done out the way and set. My brows are like the highlight of my face, so I love to take my time with them. This is the NYX Fill and Fluff Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Espresso. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So at the top, it is kind of thick, kind of like a crayon. And on the end piece, my hands are slippery. It's super cute. It's a little brush, you know, like those little oval brushes they used to have. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's like a little brush. So I am just going to brush my brows up. Okay, and then got to get all up in my mirror for this because I am OCD about my freaking brows. Like, they have to be perfect because I don't know, they set my whole face, and if my brows look bad, then this whole makeup is just about to be a mess. I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan. And then I always take a fluffy brush and just smooth all that concealer out. To set my brows, you know, I'm so glad they started making this stuff to set your brows, because you don't want your eyebrows moving all over the place, especially since I do my eyebrows first before I do any other part of my face. So I'm going in, and y'all gonna see this a lot. I am very NYX heavy because I love NYX. Their products just do it for me. They do it for me. And they're affordable. They just do it for me. For a drugstore product, they deliver. This is the brow glue from NYX. So it comes in a clear tube, a little applicator brush, kind of like glue a little bit. And so what it's going to do is it's going to hold my eyebrows still from moving when I put the rest of my face. I'm going back in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, same color, Cool Tan, and I'm just going to go ahead and set my, or prime my eye. I'm going to go in with a damp beauty blender. I just took this out of the box, but I was swatching a little bit because I got some new stuff. I did. I was swatching a little bit. I am going in today with the Colourpop Sweet Talk palette. Can you see that? And look at these shades, okay? Do y'all see that? This is so cute. This is perfect for like a spring look. And look at this. This one right here. Ooh, don't judge me. I need a feel. Like, look how pigmented that is. Some people don't think Colourpop is drugstore, but it's very affordable. I would consider Colourpop drugstore brand, but I do love their palettes. Their palettes are like top tier. Let's play with this a little bit. All right, I'm gonna use this shade right here, this pink. It's called Meadow. I'm gonna go ahead and take that. Look at that, how pigmented that is. And I'm gonna put that in my crease. Ooh, we don't see. It's hard to find like a super good pink. Just for like darker tones. I mean, I know I'm not dark skinned, come on, but I'm a good brown. Like, I'm a in between. I'm not light skinned, I'm not dark skinned. Like, I am a brown skin beauty, okay? I'm gonna take this shade, it's called Work It, and this orange. I'm not gonna go with the pink. It looks like a bubble gum. But this light orange right here, and I'm gonna smooth that out around the top just because this is a super like pigmented pink. Okay, I'm gonna try West Side on my lid, a brown. It's kind of opposite what you're supposed to do, but let's see how it goes. And then I'm just going to take the tip of this and I'm going in with Melody. That's cute. It's like a sunset. Ooh. Today I will be using Ardell's Faux Mink Wispy Lashes. They are definitely upside down in there because I did use the other ones. I'm going to do these off camera because I still can't put my lashes on the right way. So, be right back. So, I have my lashes on, and just to let you guys know, I did use this CoverGirl Clean Fresh in Extremely Black. I set that underneath my lashes just so they have a better hold. Now I'm going in with Maybelline's Lasting Drama Gel Liner, and I'm using this brush that came with it. I'm not going to get too crazy with my wing though. This is like a real soft sunset-y look. And I'm taking that Colourpop palette and I'm gonna go in with this Feel Free right here. Just dip it just a teeny bit and tap. And I'm gonna hit my waterline. Well, not my waterline, my lash line. And just smudge that out to make it look more natural. My face is already primed and ready to go. I'm not gonna do my underline just yet because I'm gonna wait till I finish the rest of my face. So I am taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. I'm going light. And I'm going to go ahead and conceal my under eyes. I prefer to conceal my under eyes. I'm going to do it with that too. Because they look so dark. I have dark under eyes, like really deep set dark under eyes. I like to set underneath my foundation, and then I will conceal later. Alright, so after my concealer is a little dry, just for some coverage, I'm going in with Maybelline's Fit Me, the Matte and Poreless Foundation in number 334. This is the shade Warm Sun. Now for a drugstore, this foundation is super full coverage. You don't have to buy all the expensive stuff to get the coverage you need. I really want y'all to realize that. Like, go with what works with you. Like, if this is giving you the coverage that you need, the look, the finish, all of that, if this is giving you what you need, use it. You don't have to, you know, go with every high name brand out there, because trust me, there are drugstore products that are going to do the same job. No, this is the Fit Me concealer. It is in the shade 40 Caramel. I'm just gonna blend that out with a damp beauty blender. Let me set this before I do anything else, and then I'm gonna add the rest of the highlighter and let that bake. Oh, I'm using Revolution's Luxury Banana Baking Powder. Luxury Baking Banana Powder. It's a classic, it's a gem, but be careful because it can really take you out. Ooh. And I prefer to do this with a brush, just because it applies better, seeps better, doesn't give me that weird sponge indentation when I'm putting my powder on. And then I'm just going to conceal the rest of my face while that bakes. Alright, so I am taking this palette one more time from Colourpop, and I'm going to go back in with that Meadow. And I'm going to get underneath. Then I'm going in with the NYX Professional Retractable Liner in white. And I'm going to just hit my waterline real quick. Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in the shade Medium to Dark. And I am using this middle one. Here we go with that clicking again. In Sculpt, as you can see, it's a top shade. The contour shade is a little too dark for me, but it's good for like an eyeliner. I mean, oh my gosh, an eyeshadow. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I will be using Can't Stop, Won't Stop by NYX in the shade Medium, or the color Medium. And I'm gonna take another fluffy brush. And I am gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face, just blending all that powder that I had put on earlier together. Blending my highlight and contour together to make sure I am even, like, all over my face. This one. I'm going in with Milani Strobe Light Sun Glow. I'm gonna use this little brush right here just because it does the job for me. I forgot to do my corner of my eye, so I'm going to take this palette one last time, And I am gonna use this side to side, this light pink right here. Super sparkly. I'm gonna get the corners of my eye. I am using NYX Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil as a setting spray. So I'm just gonna spray my whole face before I do my lips. Alright, for my lip, I'm going in with the NYX Matte Lip Liner in the shade Vintage. And then I'm going to go over that with the NYX Butter Gloss in Praline. I'm a gloss girl, definitely. I'm definitely a gloss girl. And that's it. So like I said, drugstore, you use that to your advantage, okay? Don't let society and Instagram especially, don't let Instagram sit here and influence you and tell you that you need all these expensive makeup brands to look good, because the drugstore definitely slept on. If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what your favorite product was, and if you guys are loving this look, please let me know. I will see you guys next week. Be on the lookout for weekly videos from me. And yeah, bye guys.